Welcome back to Trusting Nose with the man that likes to smell good, me. And I hope you're well, in good health, and of course I hope you're smelling great. So today I have a first impression / unboxing video of Zadig Voltaire's This Is Him. As you can see, it's still on the bubble wrap. So This Is Him came out in 2015, but recently, I don't know what it is, but it's been getting a lot of hype. Whether it be from top 10 videos or Instagram, I've just been seeing it everywhere. So you know me being me, the man that likes to smell good, I'm always looking out for the next fragrance that's gonna like catch my eye, the next superstar or whatever. So I thought, let me just search it up, let me see what the prices say. I picked up my bottle from Amazon, but I took a fat L, I can't lie to you. So initially, when I was searching this fragrance, I saw £25 of either 25 or 26, whatever, one of the two. I saw £26, 100 ml. Thinking, oh, like, no brainer, let me just go and put it in the basket. So I bought it straight away. I was in the gym, I wasn't even paying attention. So it came now. I saw that the bottle was only 30 ml. I was thinking, nah, what's Amazon doing to me? But it was just me being, just me not paying attention. So 30 ml on Amazon right now is £26, and 50 ml is £30. So it's a no-brainer for you to get the 50 ml, but obviously I wasn't paying attention. I bought the 30 ml. So I don't know, in life, you just gotta chop the L, isn't it? So I'm just gonna keep it as honest as possible. I don't really have my expectations for this fragrance isn't really that high, but yeah, that's enough talking from me, just chatting too much, so let's get into it, let's go. So here's the box. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Obviously ingredients at the back, barcode, everything, yeah, so let me open this up. I thought I'll be more excited, but I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is gonna be good or not. Okay, yeah, so here's the box again, close up. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ooh wee. See, look at this tiny bottle, man. 30 ml. I'm fuming. I'm fuming. All right. Yeah. So, thick glass on the bottle. Bottle's quite unique. Apparently, the female version of the bottle, it fits into the side here, so it kind of looks like slate. Obviously, you can tell this is going to be a fragrance for like the autumn, winter, cold weather. But yeah, no, the bottle's well constructed. It's good, solid. All right, let's go. I'm gonna spray it straight onto the skin, because I know like when you spray it on the test strip, sometimes it smells different. But at the end of the day, you're not gonna be wearing paper. You're gonna be wearing it on your skin or on your clothes. So the cap's a little bit sturdy. I like that. So I quickly went to go and grab the notes. So the top notes consist of grapefruit and black pepper. The middle notes consist of incense and vanilla. And finally, the base notes consist of sandalwood. First impressions, let's go. All right then, all right. Sprayer is good. Okay, I can smell it in the air a little bit. I'm just gonna let it dry down for a little bit, because obviously I'm just gonna be getting like strong whiffs of alcohol. Let me just let it cool. All right. Okay. Yeah, no, it's good. It's very masculine. Yeah, I think sweetness is obviously coming from the vanilla. It's almost balsamic. Yeah, it's a bit decent. It's a bit good. Can't lie. It's all right. I like it. I didn't expect to like it this much, but it's good. So right now, the initial number that I'll give it out of 10 is probably I'll give it a 7 now, just because it's different from other designer releases. Like, there's not a lot of fragrance on the market that smells like this. But yeah, it's almost got that kind of like sexiness to it. This is a woody, sweet, spicy, smoky fragrance. I don't feel like the under 25s are really gonna appreciate it. So I'll say this is more mature. Definitely leans towards date night. And yeah, it's alright. It's good. It's good. It's a good fragrance. It won't like wow you or anything like that, but it's good. In terms of performance, it's projecting well, but obviously I need to give it more time. So it's decent so far. It's decent so far. So with Zadig Voltaire, this is him. I get a lot of black pepper, a lot of incense, but it's not that churchy type of incense. It goes in a different direction. I get obviously the vanilla, but overall it's just a very dry, sexy, masculine designer release. It's just different from what's on the market. So yeah, no, I'll give it the thumbs up. So initial impressions right now, 7 out of 10, but obviously that could change in the future. So as always, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. But also follow me on Instagram, trusted_knows.